Got it.
Yeah. So this started.
These are the saltfish fritters, right?
Yeah.
And this is over here, so no?
Spicy gizzard.
Spicy gizzard. Hold on, I'm gonna ask a stupid question. The gizzard is from the chicken.
Gizzard is gizzard.
No, but the gizzard have to come from somewhere. Where is it from? The chicken?
Yeah.
No, you're not sure, you know.
I'm not sure.
You're not sure. Titi, why you dying? Why you dying? No, but you said gizzard is gizzard.
It could be good gizzard.
It could be what? No, don't. I have to ask because
Chicken gizzard.
no, when I was growing up, you know, and they were killing chicken on the farm in Jamaica. I was in a boys' home and they had a chicken farm. And it was a big thing for us to get the gizzard and just fry it by ourselves. No, so the only gizzard I know is from chicken.
Yeah.
But I'm traveling. So, you know, I just assume it's chicken, but there have been
What if it's not chicken?
unfortunate stories of some people who assumed something and it wasn't so, you know. And I know here, you know, people eat some things that are different from.
Yeah.
So, you know, I just wanted to make sure.
Yeah.
So you think it's chicken gizzard?
Chicken gizzard, yeah.
No, but it look like you just decided that it's chicken.
I know.
You know it's a chicken gizzard.
It could be good gizzard.
No, but hold on. But gizzard in any other animal?
I
Eh?
know, yeah.
Is gizzard in any other animal?
Just chicken.
Yes,
It,
chicken.
no, don't it's just chicken. Hold on. So if chicken have gizzard, duck have gizzard? Duck.
No.
Oh, you mean you don't know?
No, I don't know.
You don't know. You know if duck have gizzard?
No, I don't know.
You have any other animal over here have gizzard?
I only know of the chicken.
Just chicken.
Yeah.
All right. We're going to do this. All right. So you know, a chicken gizzard this, you know. Even if it's not chicken gizzard, it's going to be chicken gizzard tonight. Yeah. A chicken gizzard tonight. And that way I work with, yeah? And that's sort of thing there. Right? Here I go. I don't want nobody get it twisted. A chicken gizzard where I work with. And that's it name tonight. Even if it's not chicken gizzard. In my mind, a chicken gizzard me I eat. Right? So when it go down my throat, it's chicken gizzard I go down my throat. I don't want an argument about nothing. You see, if anyone want to look on it and it look different, don't tell me. I don't want to know. Right? I just chicken gizzard. All right. So hold on. Titi, what kind of gizzard that?
Chicken gizzard.
Kwesi. What kind of gizzard this Kwesi?
Chicken gizzard.
Chicken gizzard. Consensus, no. Consensus. Chicken gizzard we I work with. Let's go. Let's slap with the chicken gizzard here now, man. No, man, hold on. Here what me I say, man.
So,
We have the soap and water wash for hand.
yeah.
Oh, yeah, man, Lord, my brother, wash for hand. No, hold on. No, wait, hold on there, Kwesi, you see this thing, yeah? It favor a thing where we have in a Jamaica named Dukuno. But Dukuno supposed to come from here.
There is Dokuno in Ghana.
Dukuno?
It's Dokuno.
Dukuno. What is that?
It's kinky.
No, but just hear kinky.
No.
Fancy dokono, yeah.
Where you have what?
Fancy dokono.
Fanti?
So let me explain this.
Fanti Dokono.
Yeah.
And you remember I was telling you that time a lot of Jamaicans descended from the Fanti.
Let me explain this.
So we have a thing named Dokono, which is banana leaf, cornmeal, and
It's the same thing.
Is the
So
same?
the Fanti Dokuno is for
For
Fantis.
fancies.
it's for what?
It's for
Yeah, fancy
Fantis.
dokono is for fancies.
From Cape Coast.
Yeah.
Right, Fanti
Yes.
Dokono.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's for the fancies. And
It's for the
kinky.
Fantis. And Kinky is for the
The
guns.
guns.
What do you call it?
For me.
What do you call it?
Kinky.
Kenki.
Yeah.
But it's the same thing.
It's the same thing.
So the Ga,
Yes,
which
the
were from
Gas
Accra,
call it
Gas
Kenki.
call it Kenki.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought
Or
you.
Komi.
But don't wait. Or what?
Komi.
Komi?
Yeah, Komi.
It's the
No,
family.
can
It's the
Kwesi,
same thing. So
I'm just real quick sidebar. I'm a little bit disgusting. I'm just letting you know. I'm just known for being a little bit outrageous. And it just, I just find it interesting that the guys say it's just so close to kinky and cummy. But we're not going there. We're not going there. We're not going there. We're not going there. No. We ain't going there. Okay. This is an intellectual moment. This is a moment for us to learn about our culture, and Jamaicans are going to find this fascinating, right?
Yeah.
Because again, I just from an earlier conversation, Gaz, most of them are in Accra. And then in the Cape Coast region, you have the Fanti.
Yeah.
I remember I was telling you that a lot of Jamaicans were descended from the Ashanti and thing, but also from the Fanti.
Yes.
And we have a thing that we call Dukuno.
Yes.
So you're saying that this thing here now, as I saw the banana leaf, I was like, but that is Dukuno. So you're saying it's the same thing.
It's the same thing.
A lot of
So,
Jamaicans.
Dokono
Wait, make it play and pass. Yeah. So Dukuno, go on now.
So the Dokono is the Akan name.
Or the
The
Akan.
Akan name is a general Akan name.
Okay,
Dokono.
so people, just so you understand, Akan is like an umbrella ethnicity under
Right.
which you have a bunch of
Right.
ethnic groups that make up the Akan. So you have the Akan peoples.
Yes.
But the Ashanti is one of the Akan peoples. The
Yes.
Fanti is one of the Akan peoples.
Yes.
You know, the Ga is one of the Akan peoples.
No, the guys are not. They are not.
Oh, the Ga is not Akan.
No, guy is not under the umbrella.
Ah.
Under the umbrella.
I'm learning.
Yes, they are people of their own. They also have this.
Okay.
They have the Ga Adangbis.
The what?
Ga Adangbi.
Ga Adambi.
Ga Adangbi.
Adangbi.
Yes. So we
Okay.
have the Gans, we have the Ga Adangbis.
Interesting.
Same way we have the Akan, we have the Ashanti tree, we have the Kriapim tree. They are all under one umbrella.
One umbrella.
So this is called Dokono.
Dokuno
Dokono in Akan.
in Akan.
So it could be Fanti Dokono coming from the Cape Coast.
Right.
This could be Fanti Dokono.
Fanti Dokuno.
And Dokono for maybe the Ashantis.
Right. Right. And that is where we got our Dokuno
Yes.
from.
And the guys will call this Kenki or Komi.
Kenke or Komi.
Yes.
Okay. Kenke or Komi.
Komi. So the guys call it Komi.
Bombard star. And then also the fish that with all these things pan it and so what kind of sauce this now? This are the pepper.
Yeah.
And them there what?
This is the green chili.
Green
This is
chili.
the black pepper. This is the sauce.
Black pepper. And then this the one there what?
Sauce.
Oh, and this one what?
Veggies.
No. This is what? This is
the
what?
sauce, and this one is grounded pepper.
Grounded pepper.
Or grounded pepper.
Yeah.
Oh, I want some other pepper there. And this is my dish now. And this is what now?
Okra soup.
Fish in okra soup.
Yeah, tilapia.
Bombard star. Yo, a murder she wrote. Yo. Then when I don't know. Then after me in Jamaica, Jamaicans believe that okra, strengthens you,
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
No, hold on, question. You know what I mean?
Your waist.
Your waist, yeah.
It makes it flexible.
Yeah,
Why?
it make you can deal with the ladies proper. So then after me eat this, yo, you know what? We're gonna just go easy and things. So, but I'm gonna want one more of them melon juice. The melon juice on the make bad.
One more.
One more melon juice. You know what the next juice?
No, I do beer.
Yeah, or beer, man. And here I want some water with lemon too, yeah? Water with lemon too and thing because and if I can't manage this because I just don't eat the fritters them and the chicken gizzard. Okay? Alright. Chicken gizzard. So I probably can't angle all of this, because this look formidable. This look, and I'm not gonna try to force it. So if I want to take home some, I can do that, right? Conti I can. Wonderful. Kwesi, we're having fun here. Thank you. All right. So we're about to we're about to deal with this and me go on try the kenke or the komi
The Doku.
or the dokuno. Yo, people, I don't know the level of scene. Yeah, man, I Ghana do it. Yeah, I Accra do it. And do remember, the September, um, Ghana Learncation, the one they sold out already, and things a big up all of the people them who are forward on that one, the Ragashanti Ghana Learncation and thing. They're coming here and they're gonna learn a lot about their culture and their heritage and their history and so forth. And some of it is going to be a little bit rough, like when we go to the slave castles and so forth. But the rest of it, can be interesting and fun. Right? Because from your part with Ragashanti, you have to enjoy the thing. You don't know the level scene. Okay, so the September one is sold out, but just want to remind you that we are all set for the April Learncation. All right? So if you want to line up for that one day and come at that one day, just contact me and then we make arrangement. But in the meantime, and thing you don't know, we're gonna just deal with the local food right and now and thing. Titi, you ready? I'm a general listener people, man. Them man I love Jamaica like, wow, you understand? Them man a selector over here and thing, and them man I know everything about reggae music and dancehall and thing. And Titi, you say you want to go Jamaica, don't
Yeah.
Titi, no worry yourself, man. We have to make sure so you touch down on the rock, man.
Right.
Yeah, because a man like you now, you need who have such an appreciation for Jamaica and all these things. A man like you for see the. Oh, by the way, people. I would be remiss. Let me just make you know, sir, we're there at Jamrock restaurant in Accra, or as Titi would say, Accra, right? No, that is how you pronounce it. Yeah, you say Accra. Like we would say Accra. You say Accra. You draw the last, you draw the last A and things. So again, this is Jamrock restaurant in Accra here in Ghana, and of course it's a Jamaican themed restaurant. And thus far the food is like really good. So I just want to recommend it. So if you come here, you want to check it out. The scenery here is amazing. Yeah, I accidentally stopped the video a while ago. So again, this is Jamrock restaurant. The scenery here is amazing. There we go. That's the scenery here. Yeah, we're under like one little. Yeah, and they even have an inside area over there, and they have a pool over there with different areas that them designate: Spanish Town, Negril, Mobile, and all these things. All right, yeah. The restaurant are going. So if you're drop in Accra and think, make sure someone come check it out and think fully endorsed by yours truly, Ragashanti, and think proper respect. So it's all about some food right now. See? We're there. We're outside. I represent. Mad thing, don't. Zine. Yo, Titi, you know something why you take up that something. The Dukuno. The what?
Dukuno.
But amongst God again, what is it? Kenke. Kenke or Komi. Alright, we open the course we are going in. So I want wine of this now. Oh yeah, that look a bit different from how we do it,
So this is Banku in banana or plantain leaf. But I don't know why they put it. It's supposed to be kinky. I'll show you kinky. This is not kinky.
Oh, this is more Kenke? This is not Kenke.
But this is how kinky looks like.
Oh, but Kenke looks this way.
Kinky looks like this because it's in the plantain leaves.
Oh, okay.
The komi or the dokunono is in corn leaves, corn husk.
Corn husk?
Yeah, the corn leaves.
Corn leaves?
Yeah.
From the, okay.
Yeah, from the corn.
Okay.
That is for the gas.
That is for the gas, okay.
That is how it looks like. And this one looks like that of the Fantas. That is why we're all mentioning Fanti dokunono.
So this look like the Fanti one?
Yes.
Oh, okay. All right, a quick lesson there again and thing and whatever. All right, mad thing. Cool.
Why you people put Banku for this thing leaves inside? So you put it one for it.
I mean, the leaf itself, it be something with
I know. It gives that feeling and flavor and all, but
It's what?
it gives it flavor.
Oh,
And it can keep it for a very long time.
okay. All right. Everything is everything same, man. Jugglement.